Hello, beautiful people. It's Karen here. I hope you are having a sublime day. I don't know about you guys, but I am always looking for lunch ideas that I can make that will last at least a couple days, but that won't bore me after the first day. And I've got the perfect dish. It's a chicken salad that is loaded with lots of luscious ingredients that just pop and keep your taste buds involved. So let's go take a look at the ingredients that we need to make this chicken salad. The ingredients that we're going to need for this chicken salad are chicken, of course. You will need some sort of boneless, skinless chicken. I'm using thighs in my dish. You will need mayo and stone ground mustard as your base. And then we're going to add a lot of ingredients that, as I said, are just going to really have your taste buds popping and keep that boredom at bay. And to do that, we're going to have some fresh garlic, some pumpkin seeds, some carrots, some red onion, some dried wild blueberries, some celery, and some peppers. I am using both a sweet banana pepper and a hot banana pepper. And those are the ingredients for the chicken salad. So the first thing that we need to do is go and grill your chicken off. And you want to grill that and then chop it into bite-sized pieces, so cubes. So I'm going to go do that, and I will see you back here in a bit. The seasoning on the chicken is going to be super simple, just some salt and pepper and some granulated garlic, and that's going to be it. And then I'm going to grill it in some coconut oil. While the chicken is cooking, we can get our vegetables chopped. So I'm going to toss the carrots into the food processor, and we're going to get those grated. All done. I typically like to mince my garlic by hand, but I'm pressed for time today, so I'm actually just going to toss it into the food processor. Garlic is minced, and a little tip about mincing your garlic. When you're working with fresh garlic, when you mince it or chop it or do whatever it is you're going to do with it, you want to let it sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes prior to actually using it in your mixture, because letting it sit allows the intensity to come to its full fruition. So it becomes a lot more intense if you let it sit and do not use it for the first 10 minutes. Next, we want to toss in our red onion. And next we're doing our banana peppers. I am tossing the sweet and hot in together because it's fine. They're both banana peppers. Celery. So all of the vegetables have been chopped. I have added the pumpkin seeds. I am now going to add a few dried wild blueberries. The chicken still needs a couple more minutes to finish cooking, and once the chicken is finished, we will let that sit and rest for a minute or two, and we'll chop that, we'll add that, and we'll add our base, which is mayo and a bit of stone ground mustard, and we'll be done. The chicken is resting. The vegetable mixture is prepared, and we just need to combine the two. Still hot. When you cut up the chicken, don't cut it too small, because when you eat this, you actually want to be able to taste some nice, lovely chicken chunks. Now you want to add your chicken to your vegetable mixture. You might not need any extra salt in this because of the intensity of the vegetables, but you'll be the judge of that when you taste it after you add your mayo and stone ground mustard. But a lot of these vegetables plus the stone ground mustard have a bit of intense flavor, and the mustard has a fair amount of salt. So you may not need any extra salt, but taste it, make sure, and if you need some extra salt, then add it. You'll add about a tablespoon of the stone ground mustard to the mixture, and the amount of mayo you will add will depend upon how much chicken and vegetables you have in here. So you'll probably use about 1/4 to 1/3 cup, but you don't want this to be extremely mayo tasting. So you want to add just enough so that you bind the mixture and not so that you're actually tasting the mayonnaise, because you've got lots of lovely, fresh, vibrant vegetables here, and you actually want to be able to taste that and your chicken. So there you have an amazing chicken salad that is packed with lots of intense flavors, and it's guaranteed not to bore you before you finish the entire bowl. So make it and enjoy. Add some of the chicken salad to a nice buttery croissant and you have the perfect lunch. Hello, beautiful people, it's Karen. I hope you enjoyed the recipe for my amazing chicken salad packed with lots of intense flavors. If you have, hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos. Until we meet again, think sublime thoughts.